In today's fast-paced world, busy women often find themselves juggling multiple responsibilities, leaving little time for meal planning and preparation. As a result, nutrition often takes a back seat, leading to poor food choices and reliance on convenience foods that may not support optimal health. However, with a few simple strategies and tips, it's possible to prioritize nutrition and eat well even when you're on the go. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore nutrition tips specifically tailored to busy women, offering practical advice on how to make healthy choices, plan ahead, and stay nourished amidst a hectic schedule. Whether you're a working professional, a busy mom, or constantly on the move, this article is designed to help you fuel your body with nutritious foods that support your energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Body. Cut. Plan ahead and prep healthy meals. One of the most effective strategies for eating well on the go is to plan ahead and prepare healthy meals in advance. Set aside time each week to plan your meals, create a shopping list, and batch cook nutritious dishes that you can easily grab and go. Choose recipes that are quick and simple to prepare, such as salads, stir-fries, soups, and casseroles, and portion them into individual containers for easy storage and transport. Pack portable snacks for quick energy. When you're on the go, having healthy snacks on hand can help prevent hunger and avoid the temptation of unhealthy options. Pack portable snacks such as nuts, seeds, dried fruit, whole grain crackers, granola bars, or pre-cut vegetables with hummus or nut butter for quick energy and satiety. Keep these snacks in your purse, car, or office desk, so you always have a nutritious option available when hunger strikes. Choose balanced meals and opt for whole foods. When eating out or grabbing meals on the go, aim to choose balanced options that include a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Opt for whole foods whenever possible, such as lean proteins like grilled chicken or fish, whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid highly processed foods that are high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium, as these can leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Stay hydrated. Throughout the day, proper hydration is essential for overall health and well-being, yet many busy women often overlook their fluid intake amidst a hectic schedule. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and aim to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Additionally, incorporate hydrating foods such as fruits, vegetables, and herbal teas into your diet to support hydration and maintain optimal energy levels. Mindful eating and portion control. In the midst of a busy day, it's easy to mindlessly consume food without paying attention to hunger cues or portion sizes. Practice mindful eating by taking the time to savor each bite, chew slowly, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Avoid eating in front of screens or while multitasking, as this can lead to overeating and poor digestion. Additionally, be mindful of portion sizes, aiming to fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains or healthy fats. Seek support and accountability. Maintaining healthy eating habits can be challenging, especially when faced with busy schedules and competing priorities. Seek support from friends, family, or co-workers who share similar health goals and encourage each other to make nutritious choices. Consider joining a meal prep group, signing up for a healthy cooking class, or working with a nutrition coach to receive personalized guidance and accountability on your journey to better nutrition.